My name is Arshad Masih, my wife Victoria, and we have two sons, Akhiyazar Arshad and Abiyazar Arshad. I'm here in America for last about 6 years, and my family came in 2016. Right now I'm working with the non-profit organization in Michigan. I'm basically from Pakistan, the eastern part of Pakistan, one of the big city, Lahore. But I served in northern part near Afghanistan border in Peshawar for 11 years with the church, being a church planter in missions and as a Bible teacher. It was a good experience because 15 years I served as a teacher, and then when God called me for His ministry, in 2005 I started working with the church and served in church planting as a Bible teacher, as a chief project coordinator for development relief and educational projects. Pakistan is a Muslim country. More than 97% are Muslims, and Christians are less than 2%. So minorities don't have the same rights as the majority. So due to that religious persecution, I have to leave the country. It was not an easy decision because I had the family, small children. My younger son was just 5 months old that time. So it was not an easy decision, but I have to do that. Maybe still scared, sitting in Pakistan, getting big salary, but all the time had a fear something can happen anytime. Being a minority, it's not easy to be live in the society. It's a huge difference. Here it's a free society. You have a freedom of religion. You have a freedom to speak. You have a freedom to express your feelings. But in Pakistan, it's not same. Majority is always right there. So being a minority, it's not easy to live there. Not just Christian minority, other minorities also, Hindu, Sikhs, even some Muslim sects, they also face the same problem. But here, thank God, everyone is equal. Everyone has a freedom. Everyone has a opportunity. If he can work hard, I can give my example. I work hard. Within 2 years, we were able to buy our home. Now I have my own home. My children are studying. My wife has his own car. I have my own car. So if you work hard, this society gives you the opportunity to excel. Here in America, I had a feeling, and especially when for the new immigrants, people are very welcoming and very caring, but the newcomers have some reservations. They don't know how to communicate and where to go, where can go to seek a help. If you are moving from one culture to the other culture, it was very difficult. And in the beginning, because I had the feeling that here people are very helpful, very kind, very supportive, but they are very private too. You cannot interfere in their privacy. So it was very difficult in the beginning to understand the culture, the rules and regulations, laws. When I came to this country, it was difficult to get job. So I started with the very basic jobs. I worked in 7-Eleven. I worked at one Indian restaurant, in one American restaurant. But later on, as I learned the language more in a better way, and I know how to grasp the opportunities. So then I worked as a manager also, and thank God now I'm working with the non-profit organization and trying to play my role to help the others. So new immigrants, when they come to this country, they don't face those issues, those problems which I faced. It's my dream that me and my children and my family be the fruitful and the giving part of this country and this society, because in the beginning and still now this country is giving us freedom and hope to grow more, and as it's called land of opportunities, and we really got opportunities. So it's my dream that we can contribute in the growth and in the progress of this country.
यहाँ जो आने से काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा है, और ये है कि यहाँ पर हमारी लाइफ जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्योर हो गई है, और सबसे बड़ी बात यहाँ पर लाइफ सिक्योर है, और दूसरे नंबर पे जो है वो हमें फ्रीडम है यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा। तो उसके लिए ये बहुत बड़ा चेंज है हमारे लिए, बहुत मुश्किल, बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल, इसलिए कि एक वहाँ का माहौल और दूसरा बच्चे जो है ना वो बहुत छोटे थे, तो इसलिए, और वहाँ पे ये फ्रीडम नहीं होता कि आप बच्चे को जो है वो बाहर आप किसी के पास छोड़ सकें, या घर के बाहर भी आप उसे खेलने के लिए नहीं छोड़ सकते। तो यहाँ पर ये है कि आपका बच्चा अगर बाहर भी जाता है तो आपको कोई मुश्किल नहीं महसूस होती।
In America, it's more freedom, and the schools are better because in Pakistan they hit you, and here it's better.
My name is Ebezer Ershad. I'm in first grade, and I like to do math and reading, and I have many friends, and they all talk to me in online, and usually I played with them, and we all did good things with each other, and we all be kind to each other, and we take turns on the slide, and anything we do, we would be kind.
The one biggest change is now as a family, we are working as a team. We are really blessed to be in this country. Although in the beginning it was not easy to adjust in the culture and in the system, and when I came alone in 2014, December 2014, it was very difficult because family was back at home and I was alone here in Boston in severe winter, snow everywhere, no friends, no family, no connections. So it was very difficult, but later on with the passage of time, as God helped, and also some ministries and some social workers or some organization like Hope Care and Beyond, they helped to resettle in this country, and I'm so thankful to God and also for these organizations who help the new immigrant to settle down in this country. Initially I was confused. I don't know what will happen next month, what will happen after 6 months, what will happen after 1 year. But now we have more hope, and we are very hopeful that the future is bright. Children are growing. My wife started working. She is growing in education. I got my degree from here. So with the passage of time, every day God is taking us to the next level. So it's an encouraging thing that future is bright. Hope Care and Beyond is a blessing. It's an organization which is really needed, and it's helped to understand the culture, to understand the society, and to find the opportunities, and it's provide services to grasp the opportunities in an easy way. Everybody can reach to the destination, but there are two ways: easy way and difficult way. So Hope Care and Beyond can help you to reach there in an easy way without wasting your time.